Well, hello, and welcome back. And I know that I've been away for quite some time, but I posted something on my community asking people for ideas so I could make another YouTube video. So I know I've been going for a while, and I'm going to try to start and make at least one YouTube video a month. That is my ultimate goal. Today I'm going to answer a question by one of my subscribers. His name is Yogesh Dahal. I hope I didn't butcher your name way too much. And he asks, I really want to know proper guitar strums, especially how to do up strum. And today I'm going to make an attempt to answer this question, and I hope that I do a halfway decent job. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is we need to choose a VST to do the guitar strum. So you go right here into Instruments, VS Vestige, you carry it over. Let's open it up. And there's one that I found that I thought it was pretty interesting, and it's called DSK Acoustic Guitar. So let's open that one up. So this is what this one looks like. And this is what it sounds like. I mean, not bad for a free VST. Alright, so let's close it up and let's open this one up. So what you do is you go right here in the square and you double click it to open up the piano roll. Let's do the whole thing. So now that the piano roll is open, we're going to start placing keys or notes. So let's start with the A. Whatever reason this is a 164, it should be a 116 to start off. Let's do 4 strings here. Now to do a strum, it's very simple. You go to the 116, you change it right back to 164. Because I just wanted it to snap into grid at the beginning. And you start with the top one. You move it over. And if you notice how the blue one goes right next to the very first one there, do the same thing with the other one until you see it right next to it. And move the other one over to the side as well until everything looks like the bottom side here. Another thing that you can do to make it sound a little bit more, I guess the word is realistic. Since he's strumming from the top, highlight that one. That should be the one on top. And then highlight the second one. That should be the second one. Third one. And fourth one. So now they're like in a little stair. So that's the way you'll be strumming. And now let's take a quick listen to this. So control arrow up. Now it's all the way up in the next octave. And that's a strum. Let's bring it down here to 90 BPM. Let's listen to it again. Now I left it at 100. Now let's do another one, go in the opposite direction. So bring this back to 116 and let's place some right here. Change it right back to 164 and let's move the opposite way. This way and this way. And since this one is the one that he's hitting first, so that should be the one on top. Let's highlight it. Bring this up. Highlight this one. Bring that one next to it. Alright. Second one. Leave it there. Third one. Bring that one down a little bit more. And then the fourth one. Bring that one down a little bit more. Click on it to make everything the same. Let's listen to it now. And there you have it. That's how you create some strums. You can move it around any way you want if you like. So let's move this one over a bit. So let's listen to this again. So what we can do is, let's see, let's bring in this one down a little bit more. Listen to it now. And there you have it. That's how you make a guitar strum, either up or down. So experiment with this, try to do different things, and see if you can make it sound the way that you want it to sound. So good luck with everything, and thank you very much for watching. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit that button like. And if you really like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and have a blessed day.